Now, government and financial leaders gathered in Honiara today for the second CBSI, ADB, APAEA Joint Workshop, focusing on how monetary and fiscal policies can be better aligned amid growing global economic uncertainty. Andrea Mahanua with the details.
The second CBSI ADB APAEA Joint Workshop was held in Honiara today, focusing on the theme monetary and fiscal policies amid global uncertainty. The one-day event brought together government leaders, central bank officials, researchers, and financial experts to discuss key economic issues shaping the Asia-Pacific region.
I certainly welcome this initiative as it provides an opportunity to bring together evidence-based research, analysis, and experience to inform better policy decisions. These conversations are important, especially at the time when global conditions are so uncertain and the challenge we face are becoming more complex. The research topic you will hear about, from climate change and inflation, remittance and fiscal policy, are timely and relevant. They speak to a common question like how should our monetary and fiscal policies respond in a world that feels more uncertain than ever.
Aligning monetary and fiscal policies has long been a challenge for authorities in the Solomon Islands. The workshop is designed to help close the gap and strengthen coordination between the two policy areas.
You see that monetary and fiscal policy, they have to work together or complement each other in order for us to come up with sound policies. Oftentimes, from our experience, we see that these two policies, they go in different directions, that they don't harness what we wanted to achieve. So you'll see inflation going up, and then fiscal policy is going the other way direction. But it's good to see that I think everyone is coming to an understanding that these two main policies or key policies in any economy, they have to work together for the good of the economy.
As the Solomon Islands and the region continue to tackle external challenges affecting their economies, collaboration and strengthening partnerships is vital to achieving stability and growth.
Before we start to look at these bigger global uncertainties, we have to look at it regionally because that affects us. And it is very, very important that the policymakers do what they have been doing here, coming together, understanding who is doing what, because sometimes you need to respond to these regional and domestic challenges quickly. The more you delay it, the more damage it does. So if policymakers are working together, like what you saw today, and we should give credit to Governor Luke for bringing all the key stakeholders. We already had some pockets of meetings where we're trying to figure out how we can work together. So these are all things we can do, which is within our domain, because we can't solve those regional political instability issues. But what we can do is we can be better prepared as policymakers, and the only way we can do is if we work together.
Andrea Mahanua for SIBC TV.